Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Go through a couple examples of what somebody could buy that y'all could come out and install. Because like you said, you don't do flooring or roofing, but most everything in between. So
Right. So we do a lot of ceiling fan installations, chandeliers, different light fixtures, faucets. The list goes on and on. It's almost unstoppable when people are trying to either repair or even update the look of their home.
And I like y'all's point you made, where if the homeowner picks it out, they're getting what they want. And I mean, that could even come down to the color and texture of the caulking material that you're using to finish, whatever application it's required for, where you're putting two surfaces together.
That's right. That's right. And a lot of times we'll present some options and the pros and cons to each one and really let the customer take the lead on what they prefer.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.